April is National Car Care Month, and I know you're sick and tired of us nagging you about keeping your car up to date, but hey, check this out. It's the only way to keep your car running like new, looking like new, and costing you a lot of money. And here are some easy tips. Step number 1, detail your car on the regular. It's basically the Botox of cars. Not that any of us would know a thing or two about Botox. It's important to wash and wax your car to protect your paint and keep it looking like new. You also want to give the interior a little TLC. Vacuum it and wipe it down on the regular. Empty the trash out and consider window tint and a sunshade to prevent fading from the sun. Number 2, stay on a maintenance schedule. Keeping your car on a maintenance schedule for oil changes, brake service, and tire care will save you a ton of money and stress. Have our service techs get you on a schedule today. They'll send you a reminder when you're due and keep your car running in top shape. Number 3, don't drive like a maniac. I've seen you on the highway. Don't do that. If you want to take care of your car, stop driving like a crazy person. Seriously though. Take it easy on the gas and brake, move through turns slowly, and use your turn signals, wipers, and headlights. They're there for a reason. Also, stop texting while driving. Need a little help getting into the swing of things for National Car Care Month? Let us help. Schedule your service appointment today at Toyota of North Charlotte. We're just off I-77 at exit 23, and you can reach us at 704-659-2025.